Guten Tag, I want to go for a ride. But before leaving, I want to show you something amazing. Ta-da! It still has oranges. Almost in June. What? How is that possible? This one also has, but just two. 1, 2. I'm gonna take one to see if they're good. So we're going to a place called Blue Pit, more or less. It's Poço Azul. I'm having very bittersweet feeling because I already bought my ticket to leave to Germany. I'm leaving soon. So these are my last days here. I really want to make them count. For example, I really want to go for a motorcycle ride. I miss riding a motorcycle so much. So right now I'm here in Caramulo. I'm gonna stay here a few more days, maybe like till the end of the week. Today's Monday. And then I want to spend some days in Lisbon, of course. I'm gonna spend like 10 days in Lisbon to say goodbye to all my friends, my family, to say goodbye to my motorcycles, to say goodbye to the places I love, and yeah, press the reset button in my life. I really need it right now. I'm having too much of a Peter Pan life. You can see quite a lot of activity now. There's a few cars, there's people clearing the lands. I'm a bit sad that my material broke, so I could show you the road. But it's broken. So. Okay, fortunately most people are already leaving, so they're just having a snack up there next to the car. Like shitload of people. So maybe it's empty. It's so pretty, isn't it? The path is a lot less clean this year than most of the years. I don't know if it's because of the virus or is because it's too early, but all these bushes are usually very well taken care of, very scraped, so even the path is way wider. Oh, I don't know if it's a very good idea to have a trash here, because then it's hard to come pick it up, but at the same time I don't know if it would be better to have it in the road. It's probably a nice experiment to do. Ta-da! This year is a bit more dirty than usually. I don't know if it's because they haven't cleaned it or what, but I usually come here. See, I usually come here like once or twice a year, and it's usually never this dirty. Like, showing the bad parts doesn't sell, but at the same time I hate when you go to a place and you see it so amazing in Instagram and shit, and then you arrive there and it's just trash. Why do people do this? So annoying. The place is so pretty. Okay, there are not many people here. There are like 6 or 7 people, but it's enough that I have to be careful not to put them on the frame because I think it's disrespectful. So I'm gonna wait for them to leave to see if I can take a nice shot from everything. Also, how beautiful is this? So incredible. Some hundreds of years ago, someone made the wall here to separate the lands. Incredible. What the fuck would they do with the land like this? This is so steep, you don't notice maybe, but it's like almost, probably like 60 degrees, it's more than 45, for sure. Okay, now that no one is here, I think we can finally fly! Apparently people like a lot to do fires here. Naughty, naughty. Had a bit my cringe moment of the week. I was flying the drone, I thought I was completely alone, and then a couple appeared. They were somewhere else, but they were probably curious about the drone. So yeah, it's a bit annoying. I hope they don't show up on the video. Okay, time to try the orange of Let's Go Back Home. Very suspicious. Oh, it smells so nice. But this orange has been in the tree like for 2 months at least. Juicy. Oh, she's so juicy. Let's try it out. I'm making my card so dirty. It's so fucking good. How can an orange be so good? Okay, I think it's easy the best orange I had this year. That's interesting. Who would say that leaving an orange for 2 months in the tree would be good? Already came a bit late for sunset. But it's so pretty. Gonna give a goodbye party. Goodbye Caramulo party. And here are the guests. Ta-da! Weiss beer from Bavaria. Is it from Bavaria? I think so. The best celebration. Prost. I missed good beer. There's even a moon. Nice.